Ever wondered how to take your Power BI dashboards to the next level? Join me as we dive deep into the advanced features of Power BI that can transform your data storytelling. In this video, we'll explore some of the powerful tools and techniques that Power BI offers, including DAX calculations, custom visuals, and data modeling best practices. Let's get started. Section 1. DAX calculations. So what is DAX? DAX is a formula language for creating calculated columns and measures. Common DAX functions. We'll demonstrate popular functions like calculate, sum, average, if, and switch. For example, creating a calculated column. We'll show how to create a new column based on existing data using a DAX formula. And for creating a measure, we'll explain how to calculate a value based on multiple factors using a DAX measure. Section 2. Custom visuals. So what are custom visuals? Custom visuals are user-defined charts and graphs that enhance the functionality of Power BI. They allow for more tailored data representation, making your reports more insightful and visually appealing. Popular custom visuals include tree maps, Sankey diagrams, and geographic maps. These visuals help in presenting complex data in an easy-to-understand manner. Creating a custom visual involves using tools like R or Python. You can script your data visualizations and import them into Power BI. For example, adding a custom visual to a dashboard is straightforward. You simply import the visual, place it on your report, and customize its appearance to fit your needs. Section 3. Data modeling best practices. The STAR schema is a widely used data modeling technique. It simplifies complex data structures and improves query performance. By organizing your data into fact and dimension tables, you can streamline your analysis. Creating relationships between tables in Power BI is crucial. It allows you to connect different data sources and create a unified data model. Selecting appropriate data types and formats is essential for accurate data representation and efficient processing. Performance optimization is another key aspect. Using indexes and reducing data volume can significantly improve the performance of your data models. Section 4. Advanced analytics. Time intelligence functions are powerful tools in Power BI. Functions like date add, dates between, and last date enable you to perform complex time-based calculations. What if analysis allows you to create scenarios using parameters and sliders. This helps in forecasting and decision-making by providing a range of possible outcomes. Power BI also supports predictive analytics. By integrating with machine learning models, you can leverage advanced analytics to predict future trends and behaviors. In conclusion, we have covered a lot of ground today. We explored custom visuals, data modeling best practices, and advanced analytics in Power BI. Now it's your turn to dive deeper into these advanced features and see how they can transform your data analysis. Don't forget to share your experiences and insights with the community. For more resources, check out the links on the end screen. Thank you for watching, and happy data exploring.